Today let us make Malpua, which is a special dish for Navaratri.
Hello friends, welcome to Tiffin Room and happy Dashara. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe.
Take a liter of whole milk in a pan and heat it. Once it boils, I am keeping half a cup away. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and few strands of saffron.
Once the milk boils, now reduce the flame and stick the milk cream to the sides of the pan.
Increase the flame. Repeat the process of separating the milk cream. When the milk reduces to half liter, switch off the flame and let it cool down without closing the lid. If you close the lid, the cream formation will not be complete. Take 2 cups of sugar in a pan, add 1 cup of water.
Add few strands of saffron and some cardamom.
Boil it until the sugar syrup becomes sticky like honey. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Here I have taken a bowl. In that, take 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour. Add 1/4 cup of semolina. Add cardamom and saffron. Semolina makes the malpua little crispy. Add rabdi to the bowl.
I have kept a cup of rabdi aside because rabdi goes very well with malpua. I love to eat malpuas with rabdi.
If you are short of time, you can substitute rabdi with the whole milk. Make sure there are no lumps. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix it well. Add warm milk to adjust the consistency. Adding warm milk is very important because here I am not using any baking soda. A trick to know the consistency is to pour the batter into a plate and check if it spreads evenly into a circle. Now keep the batter aside for 1 to 2 hours. Take 2 cups of oil or ghee in a pan. If you prefer the flat and crispy version of malpua, keep the flame low when you pour the batter and then gradually increase the flame. Let the malpua rise, then flip it. Once both sides are golden brown, reduce the flame and remove it.
Now drop the malpua into the warm sugar syrup. Make sure the sugar syrup is warm.
If you prefer the malpuas to be soft, please keep the flame little higher when you pour the batter. And repeat the process. Keep the malpua and the syrup for 3 to 4 minutes. Then remove it and serve it. Yummy, tasty, delicious malpua is ready to be served. This malpua made from ghee, sugar and milk. This is a very special prasadam for Goddess Durga.
You can garnish it with some almonds and pistachio.
This can be eaten with sugar syrup or rabdi on the sides.
Hope you guys like the recipes. Please give a try and comment below. For more such recipes, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.